Hello, I'm Sarah Wells Rolland here in my studio at the Village Potter's Clay Center. Thank you so much for clicking and learning about my channel. So on this YouTube channel, I am primarily, almost exclusively teaching ceramics, both on the wheel and hand building. I've been teaching for over 25 years now. It is a passion of mine to make pots and to teach other potters. So welcome. You're going to find everything from beginning wheel techniques all the way to advanced pottery. I think you're going to enjoy this content a lot. So I welcome you, and please subscribe, like the videos that you're enjoying, put in comments. I love to interact, and share with your friends. I hope you will decide to study with me and access these videos a lot. Pottery is such a wonderful creative pursuit, and it's so much fun to share it. So thank you again for subscribing to my channel.